Hey guys, let's discuss this problem. This problem says, following table shows the birth month of 40 students of class 9th. So this table is the birth of 40 students. In the month of January, 3 students were born. In the month of February, 4 students were born. In the month of March, 2 students were born, and so on. In the month of December, 4 students were born. So this is the data given to you. Now the question asked is, find the probability that a student was born in August. So a student was born in August will be 5 divided by 40. Because how many students were born in the month of August? 5. And total number of students are 40. So probability will be number of students born in August 5. Total number of students born in 12 months is equal to 40. So probability of a student getting born in August will be 5 by 40. This will give you the probability of 1 by 8. You can do this for any of these months. If a question asked will be such as a student born in the month of January and February. So what will be the probability if a student is born in the month of January or February? So in this case, probability will be 3 plus 4 divided by total number of students, which are 40. So this will give you the ratio of 7 by 40, and this is going to be the probability of a student born in the month of January or February. You can make any question out of this given data. So I really hope you should not have any doubt in this. I will be taking more problems in the coming video lectures. Thank you.